Here comes the weird UFC 297 matchmaking. Sergey Saidai gonna fight Ramon Taveras. That would be okay. They are fighting at UFC 297, but Saidai already knocked this guy out at Contender Series via straight right. UFC wants to give them a rematch for some reason. Sergey Saidai is a very talented fighter, very powerful. He is a bantamweight fighter, but 5'11", 72 inches of reach, out of Ontario. Very skinny fighter. His opponent is 5'8", 70 inches of reach. Bulldog boxing. Ramon Taveras doesn't have good movements, but he's got a brutal knockout power. And previous time, we had a weigh-in miss. For some reason, UFC rescheduled this fight. They want to give Sergey Saidai and Ramon Taveras another shot. I already did a breakdown and prediction of this fight, and I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. Side call. Sergey Saidai looked way better in the previous fight. I hope for the similar outcome.